actually split a bill with a friend and someone says, I'll pay you later, and then that day actually never comes. That's actually cash culture. Now imagine that, but on a national level, Pakistan is a cash-heavy economy, and I think that's a problem. But here's the good news. Actually, some startups are working quietly, consistently, and ambitiously to fix it. And what's happening here might impact not just Pakistan, but I think the whole MENA region. So why fintech in Pakistan might actually save the economy? First, cash is invisible, and that's actually quite bad for the growth, for the economy as a whole. Over 90% actually of the transactions in Pakistan are still in cash. That means the government can't track income or collect taxes properly. Our real GDP might be 30 to 50% higher than what's on paper, but it's invisible. They call it undocumented economy. Without receipts, you can't grow businesses, build credit, or fix inequality. It's like trying to run a business without Wi-Fi. Technically possible, but quite painful. Second thing, startups are digitizing one step at a time. Let's talk about real heroes here. Keenu, for example, is digitizing in-person payments. It helps merchants accept digital cards without big machines. Now, your chai wala can accept MasterCard maybe. Abhi is offering earned wage access, meaning employees don't have to wait for payday. They can withdraw what they've already earned digitally. And finally, CreditBook and Udar app are helping shopkeepers move from registers and paper ledgers to simple mobile-friendly tracking tools. This might actually sound small, but for a country with a plus 4 million micro retailers, this is a real game changing for the whole economy. Third thing, it's what we are building at Wasssl. We believe in the future of the region depends on building trust, infrastructure, and technology from the ground up. We are actually backing founders who aren't afraid to work in complex market. And Pakistan is one of them. We support startups that make the informal economy formal, helping cash-heavy sectors digitize, grow, and eventually scale. Why? Because what works in Pakistan now will shape the future of fintech across the whole MENA region. Fourth, cash is still actually winning, but not for too long. Yes, it's still a cash-first country, but every time someone pays by QR code, every time a store uses a ledger app, every time a force worker gets paid through Abhi instead of cash, that's actually one more transaction added to the digital economy. I mean the real economy. Right now it's only few million users, but the market is 250 million people. The upside is just massive. The fifth element is this matters beyond Pakistan. For me, the MENA region is watching. Gulf countries want stronger financial inclusion. North African countries are actually fighting the same informal economy issues. So if Pakistan cracks even 30 or 40% digitization in the next 5 years, it actually sets a model for the rest of the region. Imagine being able to move money between Karachi and Casablanca or Cairo and Riyadh, all on the same tech rails. That's actually for me the long game, and we are lying on the track now. The last thing is about the incentive game. Why users will switch in this region. If paying digitally is easier, safer, and cheaper, people will definitely switch. Let's give an example. Fuel, it's 100 rupee with card, but it's 104 rupees when you pay with cash. So suddenly everyone's gonna scan these QR codes. It's already happening in Asia, China, Indonesia, even in Kenya. So Pakistan has the tech. Now we need this behavior change, plus of course policy support. The future of the economy isn't in cement, it's in code. Pakistan doesn't need a fintech miracle. It needs consistent moves by startups, governments, and by users like us. It gets If we get this right, Pakistan can lead way for emerging market across MENA. So scan that QR and send that bank transfer and tip your delivery guy maybe digitally. It's not convenient, it's economic transformation, one tap at a time.